I have to say that study on twins is shocking.
It really is, because it eliminates genetics from the argument.
Yeah.
Like, you could say, yeah, I gained weight while dieting, but I was going to gain weight anyway. Well, this study had twins, identical genes. One was dieting, one was not dieting. The dieting one gained more weight, and further dieting was associated with further weight gain. There's nowhere to hide there, guys. Genetics are not a factor. And, oh, by the way, this was a study with 4,000 sets of twins over a period of 25 years.
Wow. So
That's pretty substantial.
It wasn't just like some little random study some guy did to prove his point. It was actually very, very substantial evidence there. So why aren't more people talking about this sort of thing?
I think it's because dieting is all we've known. It's basically all we've done over the last century.
Yeah.
And we see short-term results with it. So the hope is that, it'll work long-term too. But the data shows that it's worse than doing nothing at all. And so when you have one option and you remove that, then you're left without options, and that scares people.
No, that's pretty scary. So, I mean, are there other options besides dieting?
Yes.
Are you gonna tell us what they are?
Yes.
Good.
To see the other options, we need to understand what it is about dieting that is not working. And that is the implementation. We have how many diets out there? What's the count? Is it
2 or 3?
3 million? There are more diets than people in the world.
That's probably true,
it's pretty
actually.
close.
I mean, if you look at like magazines in the checkout aisle alone,
Yeah.
which change every week.
There's always a new diet.
A new.
Right, which we covered in the Spook
No,
commercial.
we did.
The newest new
yes.
no
Wasn't
food
that
necessary
delightful?
diet. Yeah. So you have to ask, why aren't any of these working? I mean, some of them might be, but in general, it's pretty ineffective according to the data.
Yeah.
And that's because all of these diets, these billions of diets, okay, I would guess
Quite a few.
100
Many.
or 200,000 diets.
Probably. That seems safe.
With all these diets, they tend to share the same implementation plan, which is change your life overnight. Just, you eat this, now eat only this food. And it doesn't work. Dieting is like meticulously planning a dish and measuring each ingredient very precisely.
And then just dumping it into a pit of lava.
That's a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Don't do that at home or anywhere for that matter. I guess you wouldn't have a pit of lava at home. No.
Yeah. Get rid of that.
Kind of cool. Anyway, so what are we going to cover next?
We're going to talk about brain change before body change.
Okay, and why is that important?
Brain change is the only type of change that isn't superficial.
Okay.
If you can make a brain change with the right changes, you have a real chance at lasting weight loss.